Hi guys, this is a short tutorial to show you to fix the error SA-70 for the amplifier Panasonic SA-HE7. Many times the error was on the digital board here. You must solder a bridge between the transistor collectors. You can see it here, and also a bridge to the resistor R7002. And when you go on the sure side, you have to solder this bridge. It was also a problem, and you can change the big capacitors. Here it was nearly the transistor and it was under heavy attack and it was very warm, and you can change it. This was a little cause but a big problem. I have testing this circuit and it was working fine after 1 hour, and you can change it with a solder iron and a little bit of wire. Yes, that was all. When you have questions, you can ask me and I try to answer on your question. Bye bye.